Hello, class. How's everybody doing? Team sports class. We are in week 4. It is muscular strength. We're going to be focusing on safety precautions while we're lifting. I know you're doing at home workouts, and I know it's a little hard because you don't necessarily have weights, but try to use what you are able to in your home setting. So, again, muscular strength this week. Some safety considerations. Of course, when you're lifting, if you just have light weights, same as if you have heavy weights, you don't want to hold your breath when you are lifting weights. Breathe out on the exertion and in when you're tightening the muscle. So breathing in when you're lowering a weight and breathe out as you're pressing a weight, depending on what kind of activity you're doing. You never want to completely straighten a joint either. So don't fully extend your knees, don't fully extend your elbows, but have a slight bend in your joints as you're lifting. You always want to work large muscle groups before small ones. So think of your quadriceps, big parts of your legs before you do the smaller parts of your legs. Make sure you're doing multi-joint exercises before a single joint. So if you're doing a shoulder, you have a full rotation rather than just your elbow. And you always want to train your core area last. Secondly, make sure you're in a good, safe surface so it's not going to slip. You're not going to fall. You probably won't have a spotter, but if you did have a spotter, you want to make sure that you would check with the PE teacher in that general area, but we won't worry too much about that now since you'll be doing individual lifts for the most part. Stop immediately if you have pain at all. So if it seems too hard and too difficult, don't do it. You want to feel what muscle fatigue is and what the failure of being a hard lift, but it shouldn't be painful. And also you want to control the speed of your lift. Never rush through a motion. Slow and controlled, full range of motion rather than jerking at any time. It should be slow. It should take 2 to 5 seconds to complete a motion rather than fast and furious. So those are all safety considerations. How is muscular strength measured? Well, if I want to find out my 1 rep max, that's the most weight I can lift in a single movement. Okay, that would be my muscular strength. So if I'm doing a bench press and I can press 125 pounds one time and I can't do any more, that's my 1 rep max. That's my muscular strength. Okay. When you're doing muscular strength, you only want to do it 2 to 3 times a week. You want rest days so your muscles can repair themselves. You don't want to do it every single day. You want to do upper body one day, you want to do lower body the next. Give your muscles time to repair in between. You want high resistance, so try to do a lot of intensity at the start. So it's heavy weights and you want to have less reps. So high resistance on that, heavy weights, less reps. Should take about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 to 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Again, we don't want too many reps, low reps. Free weights, universal gym, tubing, and your body weight are ideal for muscular strength. Our workout today is we're going to be lower body today. You had upper body on Monday. So you have your warm up, your jacks, your high knees, squats, arm circles, and then you're going to do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. It's up to you what you want to do. You want to get those strength gains, so you have to increase your intensity. If you're doing your body weight, maybe add some free weights if you have them. Add some things in your house that weigh a little bit more. Even a laundry jug might work. So grab something that's heavier as you do this. And then your workout, like always. Squats, if you're not sure what a squat is, you can zoom over it from there. Bridges, see what those look like, and go on from there. So you want to do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps for your workout and make sure that you are answering your reflection questions in Google Classroom. Hope everybody's doing good. I miss you guys. Hope you're staying active. Take care.